Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for coming back. On today's video, as you can see by the title, it is a recreation inspired by these Hey Pumpkin ghost tassels. I absolutely love these. They are so cute. It is meant to be a banner. I did take out one of the little pieces so you can see what it looks like if you haven't purchased them, but it kind of has like crepe paper in the front, and then they shredded even the ghost itself. And it's double-sided because of course it's meant to be like a little banner, and it has like the little hole on the top, the little cute face, and it's stitched right on the top, and that's what it looks like. And you guys, when I was looking at these, I was like, I totally can make this on my Cricut, and that's what we did, you guys. And I'm so excited of how they turned out. This is the one that I recreated, and look, you guys, do they not look almost the same? Except my ghostie's a little chunkier and his face is a little different, obviously, because I drew him out on the Cricut. But I think it's a great match, and I love the little pink stitching because it kind of like gives a little something extra. I used some crepe paper, and now I want to show you guys the differences of mine and the one from crepe paper. Crepe paper actually shredded the actual ghost, so he's shredded on both sides, and you can do that. I didn't do that with my ghostie. My ghostie has the full body in the back. It's not double-sided. It's meant to be more of a tag than a banner. But look, you guys, and this is so easy to make. Super easy, and I think it turned out super cute. I feel like I would go with either one. I absolutely love it. I love that my crepe paper was towards the end, and usually when your crepe paper is almost finishing, it has kind of like these little ridges, which kind of worked out for my ghostie. He looks super cute. But let me show you guys how I created this. And I made some pink ones, you guys. That's the good thing about making your own. Look at this one, how cute. And then there's another one. I did white with the pink. And these are super cute little ghost tags that you can make, and they were totally inspired by these little ghost tassels. And what I did was I created my ghost. I purchased an SVG file of a ghost that kind of went on the same shape as this one. I'm going to put that down below so you guys can check out that ghost. And then I kind of played around with him, with his shape. I made him longer, and he had actually the ridges like this. And then for some of them, I cut them. Like this one, I'm going to be doing it like the crepe paper one. So we're going to be playing around with this one and see how we figure it out. But look, you guys, you can do it on pink paper, on blue paper, purple paper. And just make your little face however you want, because the ghost has a face, but I kind of played around with it. So when you see your ghost, he's not going to look like this. But I played around with his face. I added the cheeks because I saw that this one had pink cheeks. So I wanted to do that. So definitely check out the bottom bar because the link to the SVG file will be there. So as you can see, I printed out a whole bunch. You can make so many, you guys. And these go for like $6.99, I think, or $7. And for a fraction of the price, you can make your own. I'm going to try to zoom in. And then we're going to make this little ghostie's little fringe skirt. I think I'm going to make another white one. See, I'm at the end of my crepe paper. So you just want to cut maybe like 6 inches, 7 inches, however much you want of crepe paper. And you're going to want to fold it and just put it up against your ghost to make sure that you have enough. See, so that's going to be good for my ghostie. I actually can do 2 little layers. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to fold it up, and then I'm going to stitch it. I'll be right back, and then we're going to fringe it together. Give me 1 second. Okay, guys, so I have stitched my crepe paper, and I have 3 little layers here. It's a little short skirt because this is a little short ghostie, and I don't want to put it too high up on its mouth, so that's perfect right there. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to glue this down. I just add a little hot glue. And then we're going to fringe it up. So I'm going to add the little skirt, hopefully you guys can see me, to our little ghostie right where you want it. I want it right about there. I don't like it to start too close to the mouth. And now I'm going to actually cut this one with the entire ghost, kind of like the way crepe paper did it. So we're going to hold it down and we're going to start doing our slices. Now, if you have one of these, you can totally use one of these. I'm not going to use that. I kind of like sometimes the way I do it with my own scissors. You're going to want to stop right by the stitching line. And this is the first one that I'm actually cutting the ghost. Super easy, you guys. Okay. And now I have the actual ghost. As you can see, he's fringed up and so is the front. And then you want to just put your little hole in the top so that you can put your little string through it. And look, you guys, a super affordable way to recreate the crepe paper ghost tassels. Isn't that cute? I absolutely love it. Let me know down below what you guys think. Do you like the recreation? I love the idea and I hope you guys recreate it. If you do, definitely tag me. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.